Hey guys, TechEdgey231 here, and I've got a CiT Vantage Gamers Case Angel in white, and on the front of the box we have advanced cooling system, we have USB 2.0 and HD audio, and just gonna touch this. Okay, and here we have on the side features. Vantage is a middle tower case. I think I'll just take that and hold it up there so you guys can see it. Scroll it up like credits. Oh god, this is freaking heavy. Pause the video if you could not see that. On the back we have the case and what the case looks like in the middle. We have a stylish power button, built-in card reader, optional. What? Hidden top lighting, CPU and VGA cooling, powerful cooling, cooling, V-shaped lighting, on and off switch for side fans, rear 120mm fan, optional, water cooling ready, LED fan, sports long expansion graphics card, bullshit, side panel locking system, and don't have much on this side. So right, let's get this open. Sorry about that guys, I had some interruptions. Okay, back to unboxing this case. Let's do it the Linus way. Boom! I think stuff's gonna fall out. Boom. Right, let's. How do we want to do this? That. There you go. Oh, this is proving tricky. Here we go. Load of plastic, load of foam, quite thick foam, probably not going to break, quite good CiT, whatever frick you call it. It is a glossy white, and it looks quite good. Turn it around, and here you can see the two fans. We have a fan switch thingy. It's quite nice. It's actually quite a good blend from metal to plastic. And here we have the card reader, the two USB 2.0s, the headphone, microphone, power button. Let's reach this. Power button, and card reader, and hard drive LED lights, or both. So at the back we have 120mm fan. They said it was optional, but it's actually it's in there. Two water cooling grommets. I don't see why you would want to water cool in this kind of case. It's like 25 pounds. Thumb screws, which is always handy. Let's get the side panels off. Are they going to drop off on me? Probably. They're not very good quality thumb screws, but it's only 25 pounds. Yes, it dropped off on me. Here we can see the two 120mm fans. I think these are in exhaust. Yes. Let's put this to one side. Oh, nice little bags of screws. That's actually quite a good standard. Here in here we will have the motherboard standoff, speakers, silver screws and everything else. Here we go. Also in here comes languages. It just says stuff, but if you're pro enough you don't really need these. Right then, let's put this back in the bag. Big bag for small screws. Let's get this back side panel off and then we'll go to the front. Just a plain old back, yeah. Place that down, turn that round. Not too bad, some grommets, no, not grommets, no, just no cable management at all, just big CPU cutout, that's a good thing. Just, yeah, yeah. Actually, I forgot to mention, guys, we have 4 5¼ inch bays and a 3.5 inch for floppy or card reader. Seriously, who uses floppies? Old people. Okay, so let's. Oh, elastic band for front panel, and it's in horrible colours, but of course it's like £25, so you can't argue for the value for money. Okay, so here we have front USB, HD audio. Oh, I lost them. Front panel, reset switch, power switch. It's a hard drive light, not a thingy. We have card reader. Yeah, goes into the USB, and power LEDs. That's nice. We have I think 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 bays for hard drive, and in the front we have a 120mm fan intake, and I think that's about it. It's quite a good value case, big CPU cutout, and you can't get much more. Probably not recommended for water cooling, does not. Actually, you might be able to fit a rad on the side. No, probably not. Just not recommended. Thanks, guys, for watching this CiT Vantage mid-tower case, and my face is a mystery. So, peace out, guys. PG-13. Alright then, guys, I'm back, and stupid freaking mouse turning my computer on, and as we can see, a fan header 4-pin, fan header 3-pin, fan header 4-pin, fan header 4-pin,